can slide on it.
Slide on your belly. Come on, Joey. 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 3, go!
Woo!
Can you do that? Can you do that? Go on, next slide, Ken. Go.
Let's see if we can make.
Joey's got it down. You do it on your belly. Missy, go slide. Ready? 1, 2, go slide. Watch how Joey does it, Ken. Go, Joey.
Awesome. Joe, you can walk right out this side.
What a fun summer activity.
Who needs a pool when you have slip and slide? Go! No, don't do that. You'll fall.
Slip and slide.
That was different.